Hello, this is Jalen 3D Printing, and welcome to Print of the Week, episode 22, Color Tag. Okay, so the print's done, so I'm going to go ahead and grab it off the bed. This is a test tag, also could be used as a color tag, as I said. So on the front, there are some different heights of layers. You can use this to tell what point it'll be transparent. And then if you look above, there's some different circles, some going all the way through, some just inlaid. It just kind of shows you how well your printer can print the circle. And then there's a 45-degree overhang on the back to test the overhang capability. There's also just a complete overhang, and there's the rounded overhang on the side over there. This does also have a case that we can put it in, so I'll grab that real quickly. And these cases can stack up. I only have one color tag, so when I go to stack them up, it isn't the best well balanced, but once you have a full tray, it'll hold pretty good and makes it easier for you to store a lot of them. So as you can see, it's really useful if you have multiple different colors, and you can see that the tops of the color tags interlock with the bottom of the next tray to just kind of help hold it together. So what do you guys think of this? Go ahead, let me know in the comments. If you like the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you really like the video, go ahead and subscribe.